Hey there, makers! Welcome to Houston Acrylic's Laser Ed, the place where we learn, laser, and lead together in our maker community. Today is all about acrylic bookmarks, and we've got two awesome ways to show you how to use them. If you're the proud owner of a laser, get ready to cut your own custom bookmarks from acrylic. And for those of you without a laser, don't worry. Houston Acrylic has you covered with a fantastic range of pre-cut acrylic shaped blanks, including some bookmarks. Let's dive in and explore the world of creating together. Now let's gather the materials you'll need for this project. Grab your engraved acrylic bookmark and a paint pen. We went with the Picasso paint pens. These water-based gems not only deliver vibrant colors, but also dry fast, making the process a breeze. Notice that our acrylic bookmark comes with a paper masking. This paper masking is a handy shield against scratches. We'll keep the masking on and use a paint pen. Today we're using a gold paint pen. Simply go over the engraved area with our paint pen. With these fast-drying paint pens, a mere 5 minutes is all it takes. Once dry, peel off the paper masking and you'll see the magic beneath. Tweezers, plastic razor blades, or Gorilla Tape come in handy for removing those small areas. Ready for our next craft? We'll elevate your acrylic bookmark to a whole new level using UV resin and pressed flowers. Get ready to infuse a touch of nature into your creations. For this project, we'll be using a clear UV resin that's sunlight activated. The beauty of this resin lies in its convenience. No need for special equipment to ensure curing. Plus, we sourced some lovely pressed flowers from Amazon to add a touch of nature to our bookmarks. If flowers aren't your thing, you can also try this with glitter. To make the process smooth and mess-free, it's always a good idea to have a pair of gloves on hand for applying the UV resin. You will also want some tweezers to assist in placing your flowers. For your convenience, we've included all the links to these materials in the video description, making it easy for you to find and explore. Behold, the finished masterpiece. As a bonus, we decided to elevate our bookmark by adding a small tassel for that extra touch of flair. To wrap up our journey, here are 3 acrylic bookmarks: the vibrant paint-filled design, the enchanting UV resin creation with pressed flowers, and a dazzling cut from our glitter acrylic. We hope you enjoyed exploring these unique techniques with us today. If you're as passionate about making as we are, don't forget to subscribe for more Laser Ed content. Remember, Houston Acrylic was created by makers for makers, and we're thrilled to have you along on this creative journey. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy making.